Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 308 different strategies with 97 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 202 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,014 indicators with 423 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, I found pure gold on TradingView. This indicator will take your breath away. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so it specifically mentions a indicator, but again, it's not just a indicator, it's a strategy combined, a combination of indicators. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the truncated bandpass filter, this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen and jump into the settings. And under the bandpass period, we're going to change that to 40. Then we're going to jump into the styles. I turned off the dark background just because I'm on a light background or a light theme, and turn off the BPF right there, the bandpass filter line, the white line, and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be just your standard MACD indicator. So type in MACD, go down here under the technicals. This is a TradingView built-in indicator, and it is the moving average convergence divergence, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, on this one, we will jump into the settings. Under the inputs, the fast length, you're going to change that to 100. The slow length, change that to 200, and the signal smoothing, change that to 50. Jump into the styles, and you're going to turn off the MACD and the signal right here, and click OK. And so what we're looking for specifically when for a long trade is when we get the green colored bars from the MACD like this right here. We are looking for the truncated bandpass filter. We'll just call it the bandpass filter. We want that to come down, showing purple or the pinkish color like this, and then we want it to cross back up above that zero line, showing blue like right here. And when that happens, we want the MACD to have a bright, vibrant green bar like this right here, not one of the light ones. You can see right here that goes from a vibrant red to a dull red. It does the same thing with green, goes from this vibrant green to a duller green. And when we get this cross, we want it to have the vibrant green. And so when we get that set up there, when those two align, it's going to be our signal to enter into a trade. We're going to put our stop right below this pivot right here, the swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit, but we eventually stair step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, again, what we're looking for is the MACD to have red bars like this here. As it has the red bars, the red background, we are then looking for the bandpass filter to go cross up above the 0 line going blue, and then we want it to cross back down below that 0 line, giving us the kind of pinkish purplish color there, and it happens right here on this bar. When we get that set up, that's going to be our entry into a short. I'm going to put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 56% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,800 for an overall gain of $8,000 altogether. So a really decent strategy on this one. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we had 56 trades altogether. We had 45 winning trades and 11 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 79% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $27,000 altogether. On the losing side, you lost $13,200 for an overall gain of $13,800. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator, but this strategy still did really well. And this strategy is a trend continuation or a trend following strategy, whereas the Academy of Forex indicator is a reversal strategy. And so you could put the two together and really take the best of both worlds, really kind of supercharging your profits. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below for only $19. Once the free trial is over, it is only $14 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. This is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether with 6 winning trades and 1 losing trade, putting it at an 85% win rate. Would have been a gain of $2,740. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 losing trade. That's going to be a drawdown of $860. For the week, we would have been up $1,880. And at the 34-week total, now we would have been up $46,490 over 268 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here, the growth of the equity there. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.